This is not just a love story. This is a story of true love, trust, and a secret that changed everything. He loved her with all his heart. He thought he knew her, but she was hiding something. Something that could break his heart forever. Are you ready to hear the full story? Let's begin. David was a simple man. He worked at a small office in the city. He loved books, quiet places, and rainy evenings. He didn't have many friends, but he had a kind heart, a heart that believed in love. One Sunday afternoon, he went to a bookstore. He was looking at novels when he saw a girl standing in the corner. She wore a light blue dress. Her hair was tied back, and she had the most peaceful eyes. David smiled. She smiled back. That was the beginning. Her name was Emily. She loved reading, just like David. They started talking, first about books, then about life. They began meeting more often, at coffee shops, in the park, even long phone calls at night. David felt something new. His heart beat faster when he saw her. He would wait for her messages. He would smile for no reason. Yes, he was falling in love. And Emily? She was sweet, caring, and always kind. But sometimes she looked sad. Sometimes she would go silent. David asked her once, "Are you okay?" She smiled and said, "Yes, I'm just tired." But deep down, she was hiding something. As months passed, David noticed strange things. Emily would suddenly cancel plans. She wouldn't answer his calls for days. When she came back, she looked weak, tired, pale. And once he saw scars on her arms. He wanted to ask, but he was afraid to hurt her. He trusted her, but his heart was confused. Something was wrong. But what? One day, David was walking near the city hospital. He saw someone enter quickly. It was Emily. She didn't see him. He followed her quietly. She went to the third floor, to the cardiology department. David's heart sank. Why was she there? He waited outside. An hour passed. Then she came out, slowly, holding a paper in her hand. Tears were in her eyes. David didn't ask anything that day, but he couldn't sleep at night. The next evening, David finally asked, "Emily, please tell me, what's going on?" Emily stayed silent. Then with shaking hands, she gave him the paper. It was a medical report. She looked at him with teary eyes and said, "I have a heart disease. It's serious. Doctors say maybe I don't have much time." David froze. He couldn't speak. He couldn't believe it. The girl he loved was fighting a silent battle, and he didn't even know. That night, David didn't sleep. He cried. He thought. He prayed. The next morning, he held her hand and said, "I'm not going anywhere. I'm with you till the end." Emily cried in his arms. She had always feared that someone would leave her if they knew the truth. But David stayed, because true love does not run away. Days passed. They did not talk about the end. They talked about the present. David took her to her favorite places. They watched sunsets, danced in the rain, and cooked together. He read her books every night. He made her laugh. He made her feel alive. Emily once said, "These are the happiest days of my life." Orator. One cold morning, Emily felt very weak. She was in bed holding David's hand. She looked at him and whispered, "Thank you for loving me when I was broken, for making my short life beautiful." Then, with a small smile, she closed her eyes and never opened them again. David sat beside her, silent, broken, but full of love. He didn't cry loudly because he knew she had gone in peace. She was not afraid because she was loved. Many years have passed. David still visits that bookstore. He still reads the books they loved. And sometimes when the wind is soft, he feels her beside him. People ask him, "Why didn't you move on?" He smiles and says, "True love doesn't end. It lives, even after death." If you love someone, tell them. Be kind, be present, because life is short. But love, real love, is forever.